Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to solve this challenging problem. Alright, what is the largest prime number which divides 2 plus 2 times 2 factorials, plus 3 times 3 factorial, plus 4 times 4 factorial, plus etc. plus 20, 25 times 20, 25 factorial over 20, 24 factorial. Alright, so we're gonna start with the numerator. So I'm gonna rewrite the numerator. Now next one, I'm gonna split 2 into 1 plus 1 times 1 factorial, because I'm trying to use summation notation. Alright, so I'm gonna rewrite the rest. Alright, now this guy right here turns out to be sum of k times k factorial when k goes from 1 to 20, 25. Alright, so I just rewrite 1 in the front plus, right? And then this guy turns out to be s equals. Now let's prove this formula. K times k factorial is gonna be k plus 1 altogether factorial minus k factorial. Alright, so I'm gonna start from the right hand side. So the right hand side turns out to be k plus 1 factorial is the same thing as k plus 1 times k factorial, right? This one right here, I just rewrite k factorial. Now I factor k factorial out, so it could be k factorial, right? The left hand side should be k plus 1. The right hand side should be minus 1, right? And then it turns out to be k factorial times k. And this one equals the left hand side. So this one has been proved. So right here, I just rewrite this one as the sum of k plus 1 factorial when k goes from 1 to 20, 25 minus the sum of k factorial when k goes from 1 to 20, 25, right? Now this guy turns out to be 1 plus, alright, so I'm going to put parentheses right here for this one, right? And then subtract another parenthesis for this guy right here. Alright, now we start from 1. K equals 1. We substitute here, we have 2 factorials. So this guy turns out to be 2 factorial. Now, the second one right here, k equals 1. This guy turns out to be 1 factorial, which means 1, right? Now, next one, k equals 2. This guy turns out to be 3 factorial, so plus 3 factorial. K equals 2. This guy turns out to be 2 factorial, right? Plus, etc. plus. Now k equals 20, 24, right? This guy turns out to be 20, 25 factorial, right? So plus 20, 25 factorial. K equals 24. This guy turns out to be plus, etc. plus 20, 24 factorial. And the last one, k equals 20, 25. This guy turns out to be plus 20, 26 factorial, right? And then k equals 20, 25, this guy turns out to be 20, 25 factorial, right? Now we're going to simplify, right? Now if we distribute negative 1 right here, so every single term right here becomes negative, right? And then we're going to simplify this guy and this guy cancel out, right? This guy and this guy right here cancel out, right? This guy and then this guy cancel out, right? Somewhere right here cancel out with this guy, right? And then one right here and one right here cancel out. So finally we have 20, 26 factorial, right? So this guy turns out to be 20, 26 factorial over 20, 24 factorial. Now I need to rewrite this one as 20, 26 times 20, 25 times 20, 24 factorial, right? The bottom is to be 20, 24 factorial, right? So this guy cancel out, right? So the answer is 20, 26 times 20, 25, right? Now we need to read the question, what is the largest prime number which divides this one, right? So basically we need to do prime factorization of this one, and then we need to find the largest prime number, right? So I'm gonna factor 20, 26, right? So this guy turns out to be 2 and 10, 13, right? But 10, 13 is the prime number. So I need to stop right here, right? So I have 20, 26 equals 2 times 10, 13, right? Now I need to factor the second number, which is 20, 25, right? So divide by 3. It's gonna be 675 divided by 3. It's gonna be 225 divided by 3. It's gonna be 75 divided by 3. It's gonna be 25 divided by 5. It's gonna be 5. And then we stop right here. So we can write 20, 25 as 1, 2, 3, 4. For number 3, which is 3 power of 4, right? And then 5, it's going to be 2 number 5, so it's going to be times 5 power of 2. Now we look at this one right here. The first prime number, the second prime number, the third prime number, and the fourth prime number, right? So 10, 13 is the largest prime numbers, right? So the answer should be 10, 13. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.